The zippy C-segment compact Mazda 3 has always been a comparison test darling at Motor Trend, handily nipping, zipping, and zooming its way around most competitors to a podium finish in every comparison and big test it's competed in, except the last one. In July 2016 it slipped to 4th, primarily by virtue of how much the competition has been forced to up its game. Well, Mazdarati, take comfort, for the next Gen 3 arriving in 2019, Mazda will be rolling out some serious next-level, patented, jinba ittai horse and rider as one shizzle. The whole jinba ittai shtick is about strategically removing elements of isolation so as to enhance the lines of communication the car provides between the driver and the road. Getting the slop out, if you will. The headline-grabbing update for 2019 is the multipatent-protected 2.0-liter Skyactiv-X engine. Final calibration and testing are not yet complete, but relative to today's Skyactiv-G 2.0-liter gas engine, it is expected to deliver between 10 and 30% more torque and sufficient economy improvement to allow a shortening of the axle ratio for a double whammy in terms of slop-free acceleration. EPA figures won't be available until much closer to launch, but we're told to expect a boost of between 20 and 30%. That would rank Skyactiv-X even with the fuel economy of the 2.2-liter Skyactiv-D diesel engine or nearly so, but at a cost that's not quite halfway between that of the G and D engines. How'd they manage this trick? By firing this gasoline-powered engine like a diesel. Engine nerds might recognize the concept of running a compression ignition engine on gasoline. The idea has been kicked around for decades under names such as DIE's Auto and HCCI, for homogeneous charge compression ignition.